Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about data migration small demo project using Python script. Basically, it is a simple one table I took as an example how to transfer from source database called Postgres and the target database SQL Server. I have already I already have a schema called DB rental and you can see DVD rental database is there. So under that I have a public schema. Under public schema I have a table called actor table which holds almost like 200 records. I have it like okay. So this 200 records we are going to transfer into target SQL Server. So I have SQL Server here. In SQL Server I have learning database. Under learning database I already created a equivalence table with a similar structure with a empty it's completely empty. Okay, so we are going to load the data from Postgres to SQL Server here. So that is the idea, using a simple data migration concept with a Python script as a background. Okay, so if I go back, this is the prerequisite as I mentioned. The source database we are considering Postgres and target database SQL Server, and this one single table we are taking as an example. And what are the libraries we are using it in Python? Basically, this first library PSYCOGP2, this is the library will be used for Postgres, Redshift, everything. This for the creating a connection, means like enabling the cursor and means running all SQL script like and getting the results out of it, and we can play around. Okay, so that is the script about it. And the second pyodbc, that is the library, Python library, which will help to connect SQL Server database. And same way, like you can establish the connection and run the cursors and get the results and play around. But the placeholder to data manipulation and analysis, this is the Pandas library, very popular in Python. We are going to use it with a simple use case only. I'm going to handle it, not too heavy. Here we are not going to do any transformation. Simply we are going to establish the connection, extract the data, and load the data into target SQL Server. That's it. We are not doing any transformation. If you want, you can do it many ways, but in this discussion we are not going to go into that much level. So what is the script? This is the script breakdown. On what sequence the script is going to run it. First, I have a configuration file which holds the configuration, basic configuration information. When I say configuration, the connection string information, like what is the host name, what is the port number, what is the database you are going to connect, which user, what is the password, all those information belongs to Postgres and SQL Server. What I have defined under configuration, that will be labeled and will be used for connection properties to establish the connection for source and destination. Once the connection established, the next step is extracting the data from the source, that is Postgres. This actor table 200 records will be extracted using the data frame. Okay, so once the data is extracted and kept in data frame, the next step is read the data and load the data into target. That is what. Once the data successfully loaded, we'll close the connection as the final step and finish the project. Okay, so let me take you guys to the script what I have written. So this is the script now. Whatever you see, the very first step is config load. Like I mentioned, I have defined the variables. This is the global variable, and I define a method with a try catch block to catch any exception. So the outside, when you define it and when you call it inside, still you need to define as a global so that it can recognize outside again. Okay, so this is the config process, the additional library used to read the configuration file. So this is the configuration file I have defined, like I mentioned in the beginning. I'll load all Postgres configuration information: host name, database, port, username, password, then Microsoft. If there is any exception raised, the corresponding exception will be raised and it will stop there using sysexit. And next one is create connection. PG stands for Postgres. So similarly, this is the connection method under this library. I'm passing all the information whatever been loaded part of configuration load method. If there is any connection issue, it will raise an exception, otherwise it will say connection successful. And Microsoft, the pyodbc library I mentioned, right? This the connection string will built in based on the configuration loaded. Then we'll pass on the method connect using the connection string. If the connection is successful, it will connect, otherwise it will raise an exception. Okay. And data extract. This is what from the source I'll I'll build a cursor here and execute based on the cursor memory using that select start from actor. That is the table we are going to discuss. I mentioned, correct? And I'm fetching all the data. Once the data is collected in the data section, I'm closing the cursor and releasing the memory. Then loading the data into the destination. From the, I am creating a cursor again and creating a memory and executing this select statement simply to get a I'm just building a basic skeleton, okay, for insert statement. And like this two set I am just building. If you read the script, you will understand. Okay, this is to get the column information and building all this information. That's what I'm doing this select statement. Otherwise this select statement nothing to worry about it. So once that is ready, this basic insert block I have created, I will I'm just ensuring this, since it's a demo, I'm just truncating the table before ensuring that the data is empty for our testing purpose. Then from the source, whatever we have in the data with the dictionary, like I'm passing the insert statement, and every row it will be passed into the insert statement. That statement will execute, and at the end of 200 records have been loaded successfully. When it comes out of the loop, then I will commit the records. Okay, once the records committed, I will close the cursor and release the memory. Then this method, close connection method, it will close the source connection as well as destination connection and release it. So as a method, this is the sequence as I mentioned in the document. It will load the configuration, create the connection from PG, create the connection from the Microsoft SQL Server, and extract the data from the source and load it from the destination. Once everything is successful, it will close the connection. Okay, let us try to run the script and see how it works. Okay, as I mentioned, the data is empty here in the actor table. Once I run it, you will see the data. Okay, that's it, friend. The connection established for PG and MS, and I'm just displaying the method for only, means like displaying message for 200 records loaded. That's it. Let's go back and see in the SQL Server. Yeah, this is how. So you can see 200 records have been loaded. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.